Get ready to embark on a journey of endless fun and excitement with our latest outdoor marvel, the 2-unit Royal MAPS. Designed to inspire creativity and ignite imaginations, this custom-built playground equipment is every child's ultimate adventure destination. Introducing the 2-unit Royal MAPS, where thrills meet versatility. With 2 units packed with excitement including slides, X&O games, and swings, this playground paradise is the perfect blend of fun and adventure for kids of all ages. But what truly sets our Royal MAPS apart is its unwavering durability. Rain or shine, this sturdy masterpiece stands tall, ready to withstand the elements and provide countless hours of joy and laughter for your little ones. Imagine the sound of giggles and laughter as children zoom down the slide, strategize their next move in a game of X&O, or reach for the skies on the swing. With vibrant colors and customizable features, the 2-unit Royal MAPS sparks imagination and encourages endless playtime adventures. And with its all-weather resistance, parents can relax knowing their children are safe and secure as they explore and create cherished memories together. So, whether they're climbing, sliding, swinging, or strategizing, the 2-unit Royal MAPS promises endless fun and boundless joy for children of all ages. Experience the magic of outdoor play redefined with the 2-unit Royal MAPS. Because when it comes to fun, the possibilities are limitless.